My first gig out of college was in manufacturing. I took my math degree and my economics minor, and I joined a specialty coded papers and films company that happened to be taking advantage of the explosion in the digital inkjet and digital display billboard technologies. I started in the lowest ranks of manufacturing, cranking out yield and production statistics and figuring out ways for the high performance work team to take waste out of the system. And I learned a ton. I loved manufacturing and I loved lean principles, principles that allowed us to look at data and make informed decisions about how to make changes to optimize the system. I rapidly rose up through the ranks, first in R&D, in tech support, and then producing image samples. I got to really work with the product and the materials, the digital printing technologies, and the computer software that drove them. And that gave me some really strong market knowledge that allowed the organization to invest in my MBA and allow me to take over a product management role, running a $40 million mature market segment, and then leading the company's foray into a new product opportunity in digital proofing, where I got to interact with a lot of customers and sector participants, from value-added resellers to distributors and so forth. And that took me 5 to 7 years to get to a point within I was able to be a high-functioning decision-making person within a corporate setting. You don't need 5 to 7 years to get that knowledge. And what I know now is that you can apply lean startup principles to wrapping your mind around the market opportunity that exists in any sector. So we're about to introduce you to a powerful set of tools that allow you to understand who your customer segments are, what your product market fit is, what kind of relationship you need to establish with your customers, who are your strategic partners going to be, all the aspects of running a business and creating a scalable business model. I wish these tools were in existence when I was first starting in my career, because I think regardless of whether you're working on a project in class or working on a venture while at school or thinking about joining a new corporate opportunity, these are extremely powerful tools that allow you to be in the driver's seat of decision making. The most important thing about lean for me is living a lean existence, understanding that there's data out there that I might not have all the information. I most certainly don't have all the information, and to pay attention to what information is around me in order to make rapid iterations to the product that I'm offering any given customer. I think that lean has really changed my life in that way, and I hope that it changes your life as well. Enjoy the next session.